Bismillahirrahmanirrahim and Assalamu alaikum to all the fellow human beings who are enjoying the Divine Mercy. Today we are going to explore and dive in again in the Divine Mercy by calling upon Him by His beautiful name Al-Rahim. Al-Rahim is the source of infinite mercy and beneficence, who rewards with eternal gifts the one who use his bounties and beneficence for the good. And this is mentioned in the Quran when Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala says in Surah Ahzab, He is the compassionate and the beneficent to the faithful. Al-Rahim indicates beneficence towards those who have a choice and who use it according to Allah's will and for His pleasure. When Allah says, I have created everything for you, that is basically the expression of His Rahmaniya, His love and His mercy for the human beings. When we find this bounty hidden in everything, including ourselves, and use it as He wills us, caring for it, as we are asked to do for His sake, we are rewarded with eternal salvation. Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala says, and I created you for myself. This is such a great honor. Then this honor is the expression of His love towards us, His Rahmaniya. Hazrat Mujahid said, Rahman belongs to the people of this world, and Rahim, because Rahman and Rahim has the same root word. So Rahman belongs to the people of this world. Rahim belongs to those of the hereafter. The one who know, pray, Ya Rahman al-Dunya wa Rahim al-Akhirah. O Rahman of the world and the Rahim of the hereafter. Rahman is mercy upon the nafs, the worldly being. Rahim is mercy upon the heart. Rahman gives sustenance in this world. Rahim gives eternal salvation in the hereafter. The manifestation of Rahimya in the faithful occurs as thankfulness to Allah, who gives us everything, and also has the ability to be compassionate, caring and giving, which He also gives us. Absence of pride in being instrumental in good deeds and realization that He is the creator of the ones in need as well as the satisfaction of their needs. All this reflects Rahmaniya. If you should encounter difficulties, unthankfulness and resentment, you should bear it for Allah's sake, because you will receive your reward here and a tenfold reward in the hereafter. Do not show off your good deeds, especially to their recipients. Be thankful to them. If their conditions did not exist, your compassion and generosity could not be exercised. So understand this. As for the recipients of the compassion and care, they should be thankful to their benefactors and remember them well at all times, because the one who cannot be thankful to the people cannot be thankful to Allah. But such people should not make gods out of their benefactors, becoming their slaves instead of Allah's servant. They should know that the good comes only from Allah, but that the tool He chooses is a beautiful tool, the tool of the human being, the tool which is worthy of respect. So be thankful to humans and be thankful to Allah, but remain the servant of Allah, knowing that the good comes from Him. The one who finds the taste of Allah's attributes of Rahman and Rahim in their beings and come close to their Creator through them cannot have doubt and sadness in their hearts. They know that whatever happens, Allah, Ar-Rahman, Ar-Rahim, will have mercy upon them, will save them, and will reward them. On the other hand, the ones who think that Allah's compassion, mercy, and beneficence appearing in them are their own qualities will become arrogant and are bound to become doubters. That doubt in extreme cases may push people to take their own lives. Ar-Rahim is the pious person. Ar-Rahim, the pious person whose fear and love of Allah are constant. Such a life is constant effort toward perfection in accordance with the prescriptions of Islam. This is the person with whom Allah is pleased, who is honored with the manifestation of Allah's compassion and beneficence, which He expresses towards other believers in Allah. Those who, with a sincere feeling of compassion in their hearts, recite Ya Rahmanu Ya Rahim 100 times after each obligatory prayer, may be saved from forgetfulness, heedfulness, and hard-heartedness. Whoever recites 100 times Ya Rahim after each morning prayer may receive mercy and compassion from all creatures. May Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala give us the chance to receive all the blessings of Ar-Rahim.